Relm from my goodies store, and today this video is about listing on Mercari and a few issues that we had trying to list on Mercari. We mainly sell on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, Bonanza, and Mercari. We recently started listing on Mercari because there were items that were not moving on eBay, so we decided to put them on Mercari to see how they would do. And we had some issues that hindered us from moving forward, but we were able to solve them, and I'm going to show you exactly what were the issues and how we solved them. So when I'm listing, I usually use Internet Explorer. I know it's outdated, but I'm so used to using it, and I've never had any problems trying to list anywhere with Internet Explorer until I was trying to list on Mercari. So I went to Mercari.com via Internet Explorer, and I click Sell Now. It should let me in because this is my personal computer. It would be easier to list from the app, but since I had the items already on eBay, all I wanted to do was download the pictures and save them on my computer and copy and paste the description. So this is what I did. So I already have some pictures here. We're going to pick this one bag and we're going to do a sample listing. So we're going to do a basic title with a basic description. If I were actually listing this, I would give a better title and a better description of the item. We're going to use one hashtag. You can use up to 3, just in case somebody's looking for a brand, for a particular brand that you're selling or a particular item that you have. It will come up in search. Then for the category, we're just going to pick shoulder bag. It's not a shoulder bag, but it's just for example to show you. And after you pick category, it's supposed to show a brand where you're able to list a brand, but this is one of the problems that we did encounter because it was not showing the brand. So for the condition, I'm going to pick good, and here's the second problem. When you go to put in the zip code, it would not allow me to do it. Even, no matter what number pad I use, it would not allow me to do it. And here's another one. When you go to pick your shipping options, there are supposed to be options for the weight. There's nothing showing, and then you get the stop sign, and that's for buyer pay shipping. Even when you go to free shipping, you get the same stop sign. Ship on your own, you get the same stop sign. So for like 2 days, I was wondering what's going on, and I remembered that a lot of sites do not work well anymore with Internet Explorer. So since I'm used to using Microsoft Edge, I say let me try Microsoft Edge and see if I have the same problem. So I went to Microsoft Edge. I opened Microsoft Edge, and I went to Mercari.com. And I click Sell Now. And we're going to do the same sample listing, pick the same picture with a basic title. And a basic description. With one hashtag and the same shoulder bag as the category, and now the brand appears, and if the brand is in Mercari's database, it automatically pops up. Then we're going to pick condition as good. Then to put in the zip code, we are able to put in the zip code, and then when we go for the shipping option, now the shipping options appear. But if I were actually listing this item, I would offer free shipping because it's a very light item. So I'm going to pick 0 ounces up to 1 pound, and you're able to see the carriers. When the buyer is paying shipping, they get to choose between 2 carriers. Now I'll click Save. Now if I go to free shipping to get a prepaid label, Now I have the weight option, and for free shipping on a prepaid label, you only get one option for the carrier. So I'm going to pick USPS, and I'm not getting the stop sign anymore. If I go to ship on my own to upload my own shipping label, I'm no longer getting the stop sign. And then you just set your price, and you're able to see the selling fee, how much Mercari will take out of your sale, and how much you will earn if the item sells at that price. So thank you for watching. These were the problems that we encountered, and that's how we fixed it. If you're having an issue listing on a particular site, just switch browsers as we did. That may solve your problem. And if you're looking to get in on the online reselling business, Poshmark and Mercari are good websites to start, as they do provide you with prepaid labels. It does come out of your commission, but you don't need a scale right away as you would need for eBay and Amazon. So thank you to everyone that watched this video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and we will do more videos like this and many more. You have a great day. Thank you.